Welcome! Today we're going to make a firecracker decoration. Not a real firecracker, but one that we can play with and pretend is a firecracker. What you will need is a paper tube. You'll need a straw. You'll need some construction paper, some tissue paper, some glue or paper cement, and some tape. So we're going to start by taking our cardboard tube and we're going to wrap it in construction paper. I chose red construction paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tape, tape our paper, and tape our paper to our construction paper to the tube, like so. And I went ahead and I cut this construction paper to the size of our tube before we start it, just to save time. And then I will take a piece of tape, tape at the seam, tape at the seam again, and then I'll run a piece of tape right across the seam, like so. All right. Now, I have a piece of blue construction paper that I already cut as a circle, and I used our paper cement can as a template. I traced around, I made a circle, and then using scissors, and remember, anytime a child uses scissors, there must be an adult present. That's right. So I cut the circle out. Now what I'm going to do is guess at what about halfway of the circle is, and I'm going to cut a slit in the circle about like that. So about halfway of the circle to about halfway of the circle. The reason I want to do that is I want to fold this over, and this is going to form the top of our firecracker. I want to see if that will fit. Yes, that should fit. Now for this, I'm going to take some tape. I'm going to tape it. And I'm going to tuck the tape under. I'm going to carefully just trim up that tape. There we go. Let's see if that will fit. Yes, that should fit nicely. That will be the top of our rocket, of our firecracker. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take tape and put on our straw and attempt to tape our straw into the top, like so. Okay. I'm going to get another piece of tape. And tape like so. Okay. And then, let's see. Yes. Okay. So what I'm going to do is with our paper cement, I'm going to put paper cement through the top, on the underside of our top. And then I'm going to see if it will adhere. Yes, it does. And we will glue the top of our firecracker. Tell you what, I'm going to turn it like so. Yeah, there we go. That way all of our seams are in the back. And when it dries, we'll be able to hold the stick. But until it dries really well, we won't be able to hold the stick. It'll just make the top pop right out. But when it sets up, we'll be able to hold onto that stick. Now, to make it look like fire coming out of our firecracker, I cut some tissue paper and I went ahead and measured and cut it to save time. And then I fringed the edges like so, so it would look like fire coming out. And I thought what we could do with our tape, let's see, make our tape a little smaller. You see how I did that? I tucked that right up inside. We'll come around. We'll tape that in. I'll come around some more. Yep. Just like so. Put that piece of tape in like that. Oh, that's one thing I like about paper cement. It dries quickly. So now we can hold on to our stick and we can make our firecracker go right through the air. So if there's a time that adults are using fireworks near you, and of course you're too young for fireworks, you can make your pretend firework and let them go through the air. I had fun creating with you today. I hope you and your special adult will take a little time to make a paper firecracker. I'll see you again soon for more creating.